Hello everyone, welcome to Seema's Villa of Art. I think by now you guys know who I am. I'm Seema. So today I'll be showing you guys the preparation of two Indian sweets or the desserts I should be saying. The first one is Indian pudding, Gasagasi Paisam, also called as poppy seeds kheer. And the second one is a sweet vada. It's again a dessert. So it's festive season, you see. I thought I should prioritize these videos so you guys can make use of these opportunities. Let's go and get started. Listed below are the ingredients for the Gasagasi Paisam. So add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, and to that we have to add roasted powder, 2 spoons of poppy seeds and 2 elaichis, and grind it in the grinder or the mixer. We are adding 2 roasted cashews to add flavor and give thickness. So the mixture is ready. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take 1.5 cup of water and then put it in a pan and place it on the flame. Now transfer this mixture, whatever we had grinded, right? Add that into the water and stir it well and let it boil again. So if we see that the mixture is boiling very well, keep stirring, okay, so it doesn't stick to the pan or the base of the pan. And then we're going to add like half a cup of jaggery to it. And we have to stir it well. And so the jaggery melts and keep boiling it, okay. And you can feel that the jaggery is melted. It's going to turn little watery. See that? So we are adding 1.5 spoon of ghee to the mixture and we're stirring it really well. We are going to add half a cup of milk to this dish, but based on how you want the consistency to be and how you like it, we can increase till 1.5 cup of milk. You like it more dilute, add more milk to it, and it's individual preference. So look the consistency how we've got it with half a cup of milk. Yeah. Keep stirring. Let it boil. So now you lower the flame and let it boil for like 5 minutes. You'll notice the color changing. So here we are preparing for the toppings. We added 2 spoons of ghee and we let the ghee heat up for some time. Do everything in the low flame, like the medium flame, and add cashews to it and then fry it until it turns golden brown or light pinkish. You will know the color change. At that point of time, we have to add the dry grapes to it. Okay, and see, there it is. Now fry the grapes until they are done. Like you will know when they are done because they're going to blow up in a while. They're changing. It's done. We can switch off the flame. There it is. So this is the best part, garnishing. There it is. So beautiful.